guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing 2 boxes. So it turns out this package was actually mine. My husband said that it belonged to me, so I'm going to open it up. I still don't know what it is. More candy! I told you guys I don't play about buying candy online on Amazon specifically. Let me see if I can rip the box. Oh, there we go. Oh man, this is going to last me. Here are the sour ooze gels. And let's see, it's a 12 count, but it looks like it's very heavy and seems like there's a lot more in there, but they're pretty big. Here, let me see if I can open them for you guys. Actually, so I can show you guys actually what it is. These are so good. If you guys haven't had these, they sell them at the stores, mainly like the liquor stores and all that, but they are so good. They're so sour and they're kind of addicting, but be careful because cavities. I'm not gonna promise I'm gonna eat these by moderation, but I know for sure I'm gonna enjoy them. Moving on. So let's see what's in here. A bag and then a box. Interesting. It is my projector. So I bought a projector so that way I can watch movies. Maybe do some workout videos on the big screen. I'm gonna most likely use my wall in my room. I'll do another video of me unboxing this and showing you guys how it looks and how it works. Stay tuned. That's probably gonna be in the next video, who knows. Alright guys, that's it for today. Until next video.